Welcome back, Trivia Champions. It's Movie Classics Thursday. Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. In the 1997 film Good Will Hunting, what university does Will Hunting repeatedly visit to solve math problems left on a chalkboard? That's right, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. Which 1996 film featured the song Mouth by Bush, becoming synonymous with the movie's edgy tone? That's right, Trainspotting. Which of these 1970s movie properties did not receive a popular line of action figures from Mego? That's right, Jaws. What popular 1980s toy line allowed children to transform vehicles and robots into different forms? That's right, Transformers. Which of these movies featured the band Warrant performing their hit Cherry Pie in a music video scene? That's right, Wayne's World. Which of these Nintendo handheld consoles was the first to feature two screens? That's right, Nintendo DS. What was the name of the U.S. president who resigned from office in 1974 due to the Watergate scandal? That's right, Richard Nixon. Which of these artists or groups was not primarily known for their contributions to the disco genre? Correct, the Ramones. In the 1997 film Titanic, what is the name of the elderly woman telling the story? Correct, Rose Dawson. Which actor, known for his role in Back to the Future, starred in the 1980s sitcom Family Ties? Precisely, Michael J. Fox. Thanks for playing. Like, follow bell. Sports history is next.